Hi. So, I heard you get down and dirty on Yubo. So, in this video, I will show you guys how to get free YuBucks today. So, as you can see, I got 2,900. So, I'm going to press this button in the Yubo Mod to add free YuBucks, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So, let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see, and the YuBucks should start going up. So, let's give it a second to load. And as you can see, guys, they will increase. All right, so 2,900. Let's see if that goes up at all. So bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to matrixmods.com. So on this website, guys, you want to find Yubo and then press download. And before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's loading up. So basically, I just have to download like 2 of these apps. You can see it says maintenance required. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. You don't have to do all of them, but like Underdog Fantasy, for instance, says down run for 30 seconds. Then we got the DraftKings Casino, which says follow instructions on the next page. So they're all different, guys. So just make sure you do 2 of them and you're going to be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get the free Yubo Mod. I don't know why this page glitched, but yeah, so just make sure you download 2 of them. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. This actually works and it's pretty cool. So yeah, free YuBucks await you. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this actually is legit and it doesn't require jailbreak or anything. So peace out, my friends.